Well, it's a beautiful day today, but I hope you didn't get used to it because change is on the way. Today we're in the mid to low 70s today, 71 here in Charleston, and then 72 or 73 throughout the rest of the viewing area. But we're starting to see temperatures drop as we move overnight tonight. We're down to 57 in Paris, and we're within the 60s throughout the rest of the viewing area. But that drop is going to continue because as we move overnight and then into tomorrow, we're going to get down to 44 tonight and then 51 tomorrow. So not much change in the overnight low into the high tomorrow. It's at 9 a.m. We're going to be around that overnight low at 45, and then that's not going to climb much from there until we get to 6 p.m. and we start to drop close to the 30s as we move overnight tomorrow night. Now, Futurecast is going to show that at 3 a.m. tonight, we're going to see some clouds start to move in through the area, and those clouds are going to be moving in and out throughout the day until around 4 or 5. We're going to see those clouds clear up, and then by 7 p.m. we're left with mostly clear skies throughout the rest of the viewing area. Now, this cool down is being caused by a trough that is moving in. Right now, we're seeing the back end of a ridge over top of us. That's what brought us this 70-degree weather that we had the last few days. But as we move forward, you can see there's a trough over top of the Dakotas right now, and that's going to move over east towards us, and that's bringing down some colder temperatures from the north. That's what's going to cool us down as we move forward. Now, tomorrow evening, these are our wind chills. We're going to have somewhat strong winds, 15 to 20 miles per hour, and that's going to make it feel like it's in the mid to low 20s tomorrow, and it's going to feel like that for quite a while over the weekend, because as we look at our weekend, Saturday, partly sunny skies and a high of 37. And then as we move to Sunday, we're only going to get up to 39. So this is going to be a very cold weekend. You may want to bring out those winter coats, and you're definitely going to want to turn on that heater because it's going to get cold. And then as we move into next week, we don't get much warmer. We get to 42, mostly sunny skies, and that's going to stay like that for most of next week. Before we get to that, it is Thursday. That means it is drought monitor day, and we have not seen much change in our drought monitor. We're still within those dry conditions. The southern portions of the viewing area, Newton and Robinson, they're still seeing the moderately dry conditions, and then half of Vigo County as well is within those moderately dry conditions, and we may not see much change. Looking at our 6 to 10 day outlook for precipitation, we're back below normal as we look forward, so we could be seeing some negative changes in that drought monitor as we move through next week and looking forward. Now for our 7-day, 51 is our high for tomorrow, and that is our highest high as we look through the rest of the week. We drop down to 37 on Saturday, partly sunny skies, and then Sunday we get some sunshine, but it doesn't warm up much, only gets up to 39, and then that's where we move into the 40s for next week, 42 on Monday, and you can see that those overnight lows are still in the low 30s as we move through next week. Tuesday we get up to 45 and 46 as we move into Wednesday. So it's going to be a cooler week next week. We see those lows dipping up and below freezing throughout the week. And then we end our 7-day was Thursday with a high of 42. So you definitely want to bundle up, get those winter coats out of storage, and you may want to turn on that heater because we have some colder weather on the way.